Again, just over 2 circuits of the track, and they're off. In the post is the first to show from Lardon, with close up in 3rd place then Coleman's Castle. It's a Snip is 4, and finally Dr. Casby as they race up the hill now towards fence number 1, and the leader is in the post by 3 lengths or so from nicely there in 2nd Lardon from It's a Snip, and then comes Coleman's Castle and Dr. Casby. All safely over the first. They come up now towards the post. They got 2 circuits to go. In the post by 4 or 5 from It's a Snip in 2nd, a length to Lardon. Another 5 then to Coleman's Castle, a length and a half then to Dr. Casby. They make the right-handed swing to come on now to the 2nd fence, another plain one. And in the post, a length and a half in front of It's a Snip racing in 2nd. As they jump that one, It's a Snip, jump to the better. Has gone up now to join in the post as they come to number 3. This is a ditch. In the post, the outside, It's a Snip on the inner. About 8 then to 3rd Lardon, 4 then Coleman's Castle, and at the back, Dr. Casby, as they run out to fence number 4. And in the post has gone on 2.5 up on It's a Snip as they jumped out. It's quite a break then to Lardon racing in 3rd from Coleman's Castle and Dr. Casby. They jumped the next on the far side, and in the post by 2 from It's a Snip. 15 then to Lardon, who hit that. A length then to Coleman's Castle, and Dr. Casby held up at the back as they race on now towards the dip on the first circuit. In the post, in the front by 2 lengths or so, It's a Snip travelling well in 2nd, and this long gap to in 3rd now Coleman's Castle from Lardon, and finally Dr. Casby. There must be about 25 lengths between first and last as they start now to swing into the straight and race up the hill with over a circuit left. This fence they're coming to will be the final one next time, and in the post on the stand side is just in front. It's a Snip is there in 2nd. Let's see how they jump it. It's a Snip much better on the far side from in the post. Not a lot between them though as they come up with a circuit left. Quite a gap then to Coleman's Castle, then Lardon. Dr. Casby beginning to motor a bit now as they swing right-handed at the bend past the stands, and It's a Snip is in front, a length and a half or so to in the post in 2nd. A long gap to Coleman's Castle, Dr. Casby and Lardon. It's a Snip over that by 3 from in the post in 2nd. This long gap to Coleman's Castle, then Dr. Casby and Lardon as they jump the ditch for the final time. It's a Snip by 4 now from in the post. Coleman's Castle next, about 15 off them. Another 5 or so to Dr. Casby, and then it's Lardon, but they're racing along the back for the final time. It's a Snip was good over that by 3 or 4 lengths from in the post in 2nd. Coleman's Castle jumps that one 3rd, then Dr. Casby and Lardon. Coming to the 2nd last, and as they jump it, It's a Snip got away from that fast, about 3 in front of in the post, who hasn't given up. 20 to Coleman's Castle, then Dr. Casby and Lardon as they race into the dip now for the final time. They have 1 fence to jump, 3 furlongs to run. It's a Snip is the leader by 3. In the post is in 2nd, and they're a long way clear of the remainder, led by Coleman's Castle. Coming on now to the final bend, It's a Snip by 4 or 5. They've under 2 furlongs to go. It's a Snip from in the post in 2nd as they start now to wheel into the straight. It's a Snip by 6 now. In the post is in 2nd. Coleman's Castle looks beaten in 3rd as they come now to the last. It's a Snip now, surely bar a fall. It's a Snip 12 in front as they come to the last. It's a Snip over safely and into the closing stages now. It's a Snip gonna hack up here up to the line. It's a Snip was a Snip. It's a Snip wins it very easily. Coleman's Castle comes on for 2nd, and in 3rd place in the post, just 3rd ahead of 4 Dr. Casby, and then Lardon a long way behind them.
The result: first number 10, 2nd number 5, 3rd number 7, number 8 was 4th, number 3 was 5th. 10, 5, 7. Number 8 was 4th, number 3 was 5th.